Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will discuss about the non-vital teeth. What does non-vital teeth means? A tooth is referred to as being dead when there is no longer any blood supply or blood flow to it. Sometimes it is also known as non-vital tooth. A tooth decay or a injury can result in non-vital tooth or a dead tooth. What is the difference between vital and non-vital tooth? Non-vital teeth had a wider color space than vital ones. Non-vital teeth were darker, decreased lightness, more saturated, that is increased chroma, and with an increased range of true interval. You can see in the picture the two anterior central incisors, both the central incisors are blackened, they are dark in colors. One question always asked by the patient that how can I whiten my non-vital teeth? Treatment option for discolored non-vital teeth are bleaching, crowns or veneers. However, this restorative crown or veneer approach has a significant drawback of being an invasive technique. Intervention should be minimal destruction of tooth structure and should not compromise future restorative options. First, we will see what is the reason behind the blackness of the teeth or non-vital teeth. The most common cause of discoloration in non-vital teeth is the presence of pulpal hemorrhagic products. The discoloration seen is thought to be due to the accumulation of the breakdown products of hemoglobin or other hematin molecules from the pulp and commonly follows by trauma. Pulp is the innermost portion of the tooth which contains the nerves. Now the question asked by the patient, how do you treat tooth discoloration? Non-vital bleaching is indicated for the treatment of teeth with discoloration secondary to pulpal degeneration. This technique involves placing a mixture of 30% of hydrogen peroxide and sodium perborate into the pulp chamber for as long as 1 week for non-vital bleaching. A tooth with an unrestored crown is ideal. This is a case of 25-year-old female patient reported to the dental care clinic with the chief complaint of anesthetic appearance in upper anterior tooth region. Patient had a history of trauma 10 years back. On intraoral examinations, tooth number 11 and 21 had pink discoloration and tenderness to percussion was negative. Cold testing was done with a cold spray on all the maxillary anterior teeth which confirmed that tooth number 11 and 21 were non-vital. Radiographic examination was done which revealed no periradicular changes with the concerned teeth. Treatment plan was decided to do a non-surgical root canal treatment followed by a non-vital bleaching of the involved teeth. This photograph showing 1 week follow-up, discoloration present in the middle third of the teeth. This photograph showing 2 weeks follow-up, showing complete bleaching of intrinsic stents. And in this picture you can see the results after 18 months. She is the ortho patient. Her treatment is going on in our dental care clinic office. Her anterior tooth you can see in the photograph, that is a non-vital tooth. ओके, हा जो दात तुमचा जो समोरचा आहे जो काळा झालेला आहे ही करा जरा. हा तर हा दात जो काळा आहे हा किती वर्षापासून आहे?
10 ते 15 वर्ष झाली.
तुम्हाला आठवते का त्याला काही मार लागला होता का?
हो, मी पडले होते.
अच्छा, साधारण 10 वर्षापूर्वी मी पडला होता. पण त्याचा काही तुम्हाला त्रास होतो का? दुखतो का दात तो?
नाही, काही त्रास.
नॉन-व्हायटल टीथ डज नॉट गिव्ह पेन. कधीच दुखत नाही तो, पण त्याचा इलाज करणं गरजेचं असतं कारण तो दिसायला काळा दिसतो. एस्थेटिकली इट इज नॉट गुड, इट इज नॉट प्लीजिंग. सो वी हॅव टू ट्रीट दॅट non-vital tooth. This is called non-vital कारण त्याला ब्लड सप्लाय होत नाही म्हणून तो दुखतच नाही अजिबात. ओके. Non-vital bleaching is the treatment over the non-vital tooth discoloration. Non-vital tooth bleaching is a non-invasive treatment for the intrinsic discoloration of the tooth of various etiologies. Hydrogen peroxide and hydrogen perborate are the chemical that are used for non-vital bleaching. So friends, if you are having such tooth, in your case or your friends having such discolored tooth in his mouth, do consult your doctor, because dentist is the only person who will give you the right decision, right treatment to you. So see you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.